insanity around daylight savings has got to end. Last year, the bill to end daylight savings time was all over my TikTok feed, and I got so excited because I thought maybe we won't have to ruin our lives twice a year just for the sake of some antiquated idea that has been proven to not be good for our health. And when I got up this morning and I had a heck of a time getting my children out of bed because their schedules were all messed up, I thought I should check to see how this is going. Where is this in the process of legislation? Only to feel like I was getting deja vu because bill to make daylight savings time permanent reintroduced in Congress. Reintroduced? What the heck is going on? To make a bill into law, it must pass both the House and the Senate and then be signed by the president. And last year, through the previous Sunshine Protection Act, was passed unanimously in the Senate. However, it wasn't as well received in the House. At the time, some lawmakers argued other matters were more important or asked for additional research into discussion regarding the bill. So basically, the time frame that they could have passed this elapsed and nothing happened. So we still have this stupid daylight savings. I cannot be the only one who thinks this is asinine. This madness has got to stop. This is what I think we need to do. I need someone who knows how to make one of those landing pages where anybody can go in and put in their location, find their senator, and then automatically send an email to the senator letting them know that we really want this bill to be passed. And then once that's passed, we will create another page for the House of Representatives and let them know that we need this to end. We as an American people are sick of switching our time and making our mental health suffer. Who's with me? Who's gonna help me make this happen?